Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4x4. This one is a diamond black crystal pearl. Under the hood's a 2.4 4-cylinder paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. For wheels, we've got 17-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. For our interior, we've got black cloth interior. Coming around back, we've got fresh set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Coming in front, we've got power windows. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Let's go ahead and start it up. 5-inch touchscreen monitor. Our climate control, USB, auxiliary, and power input. Automatic transmission. Our different driving modes, we've got auto, snow, sport, and sand. This vehicle has 39,118 miles on it. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Jeep, check out feldmanimports.com.